You're a Blooket player, this video is for you. Today I want to show you how to get infinite tokens from the Blooket event. Let's go start. Now, first step is to open a new tab, and here you need to search in www.go-token-pro. This is the official website. You need to enter on this website. I press enter, and as you can see, token events offer free tokens. Here you choose how much tokens do you want. This is the minimum and this is the maximum. Here you need to enter your Blooket username. Now I enter my Blooket username, blueface1, and I press generate. Now generating is running. Don't close to refresh the page. As you can see, it's loading. You can find your Blooket username here. As you can see, blueface1 is my username. Now guys, I wait to loading. This is your status online, last update 2 days ago, online user, total user. This is recent activity. As you can see, it's on any device, iOS desktop. Now I use my computer, but you can use your phone, your iPhone for example. As you can see, people vote. It works for you, yes or no. This person voting yes, this person voting no. You can vote, as you can see. Thank you for your opinion. Comments, this is people comments, very much positive comments. You can add comments on this button. How does this event work? For complete on of part of the survey, you get at one time 3000 coins. As you can see, Blueface1 is connected, resource it's ready, and now it's transferred to user. As you can see, guys, please like this video and share this video with your friends. You almost finished it. You don't like Roblox, please verify that you recommend. This is a human verification. Just verify now. Human verification request, verify survey. Complete the request below, and Blooket token will be automatically sent in your account. You understand? Now I select first survey. As you can see, access into easy steps. Send a SMS to this number. As you can see, this is my survey. You can select all the survey, but now I select first survey. It's checking for completion. Now guys, I recording with my personal phone, and I can send a SMS and record it at the same time, but I'll be back immediately. Good guys, I send a SMS on this number, and now you need return here. As you can see, it's finished. Now you can close all tabs, and as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you just received 100,000 tokens from the Blooket sponsor. I press climb, and now as you can see guys, I have 100,000 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now I want to prove this. I buy a package. I buy this package. As you can see, yes. As you can see guys, it's working. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.